Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for all the responses to my community post about this work. So here comes the video tutorial. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell and select all as shown so you don't miss any videos that I upload. Let's talk about the painting process. First, the materials. I use a canvas of size 10 by 12 inch, palette knife, modeling paste from Deco Art, gold leaf and sealer, acrylic colors from Deco Art, filbert brushes of different size. First I sketch an outline of where I need to place the flowers. Then I use the modeling paste and round edged palette knife to apply the paste. This palette knife makes the process easier because as you can see, the petals are forming quickly with a single application. Complete the flower making using the same process and wait to dry completely. You can also use texture paste instead of modeling paste to achieve the same effect. Now the modeling paste is fully dry. Next move on to paint the background. You can either paint the background before applying the modeling paste or later as shown. Spray a little bit of water onto the canvas before applying the paint. I use burnt umber and white for the base tone. Before the paint is completely dry, I use a mop brush to blend the colors smoothly onto the canvas. Now paint the flowers with a grey tone, mix white and Mars black and use a filbert brush to apply the colors to each petals. This painting is not a realistic one, so don't worry about the color tone or many details. We are going to create an impression of the flowers and add some highlights and a golden touch later on the session. I hope you enjoy watching this. If you have any questions regarding this painting process, please feel free to ask in the comment section. I am happy to answer to your questions. Complete the flower painting using the same method. I am adding more details to the background using black and burnt umber. Near to the flower areas, that means you can create a shadow using darker tone by mixing black and burnt umber. Once the colors are distributed, you can use a mop brush to blend the colors softly as shown. You can fill the gap in between the flowers using a darker tone. It can be a mix of burnt umber plus black or black itself. Now I am giving some highlight to each petals using pure white. Now the background, flowers, everything is fully dry. Next I am going to add metallic golden color from Deco Art. I have listed all the material details with purchase link in the description box below. So if you want more details, you can go and check it. To apply the metallic color, I use a dry synthetic brush, and the application of the metallic touch is not a pre-planned one, so I am applying to the areas wherever I need it. So you can play around with the color and create your own piece of art. Add a few golden touch to the flowers to make the overall painting look pleasing. Once the background is fully dry, I use this metal sealer to areas where you need to stick the gold leaf. Once the sealer is dry, you can easily stick the gold leaf and remove the excess gold leaf using a dry synthetic brush. If you have any questions regarding this painting process, please feel free to ask. I hope you enjoyed watching this painting tutorial. If you like this video, please share and comment, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my new videos. I also have a Skillshare class where you can learn my painting technique in much detail. I have mentioned the link in the description box below. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care.